This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hello, I'm Danielle Lerner with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The Arizona Department of Public Health saying they are seeing an increase in breakthrough cases, now making up 1 in 7 cases. That's up from our last update, where the vaccine's effectiveness was downgraded after it was reported that breakthrough infections made up 1 in 10 cases. The news comes as the CDC starts looking at booster shots, and concern continues to grow that vaccines may lose their effectiveness over time. That information coming in as we get a clearer picture of how the virus is spreading in our state. We are once again seeing skyrocketing demand when it comes to getting tested. This is some new video of long lines forming at Valley sites, similar to images we saw during parts of last year. Embry Health announcing it's currently seeing a 1,000% increase in demand since July 1st. Some people waiting in long lines are unable to secure an appointment with other providers. Embry Health confirming the rise is in line with the spread of the Delta variant and also with kids going back to school. Some parents saying they've even had to pay to get their results faster.
We called the school to let them know that he was sick, and they said, well, he'll have to have a COVID test so he can get back into school. So we took him to the same place, which was another $135.
According to Embry Health appointment data, more than 2,000 Arizona residents forego COVID testing daily due to long wait times alone. That is why they'll be adding 30 more drive-through sites over the next month, on top of the 55 sites they already have running. An urgent update for Arizonans exposed to wildfire smoke earlier this year. Some new research is revealing that exposure increases the severity of COVID symptoms and accelerates its spread. The research being highlighted as an explanation for higher rates of COVID deaths in the western United States. The study finding the fine particulates of wildfire smoke create a perfect storm with COVID, damaging the immune system. And when COVID and smoke mix, that amplifies cardiovascular and nerve damage. Landlords taking their fight to the Supreme Court after a federal appeals court unanimously voted that a pause on evictions could stay in place. Now, for Arizona, that means tens of thousands at risk of homelessness can breathe easy, at least for now. The rule was put in place as lockdown measures first took effect and were designed to keep people out of work, off the streets, and safe from the virus. In June, the Supreme Court voted 5-4, allowing the pause on evictions to continue through July. It's still not clear if the new extension will receive that same vote. Arizona's red-hot housing market looks like it's starting to cool off, even as the price for lumber goes down. Less people are trying to build homes in Arizona. The Phoenix Business Journal reporting home building permits in July were lower than they were a year ago, despite a shortage of homes for sale. And again, that dropping price of lumber. So what exactly is happening here? Well, experts at Zillow say there's a lot of catching up to do. The prices for building materials are still high overall, and many would-be homeowners have simply thrown in the towel because of the cost. After the entire year seeing unprecedented levels of home building, those still committed to doing so are apparently looking south. The cities of Coolidge and Maricopa holding on to their massive explosion of growth, both still seeing a more than double the number of home building permits they saw this time last year. For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download our free ABC 15 mobile app.